Hey, I'm Chris from Test the Speed Shop, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about my cars here.
Yeah, welcome back to Auto Salvage Peanut Gallery. Here's that carburetor I got from Bear Rose and Cousin Mike. I took it apart last night. I still got finished taking it apart. My wife don't like it be working on it in the house, but I took it apart last night to get the blocks and the casing in the back. It actually wasn't too bad as far as gumped up. It wasn't too bad. You can see that the float's just a little on the dirty side, but they should be fine after I clean them up. I won't even change them out, clean up the bolts and stuff. And the gas tube is pretty good. That's some of the old gaskets that come out. Of course, that's going to be bad on any of them when they set up anyway. So you know you're going to go get a new one when you get a kit. But yeah, it's not too bad considering it's set up. Well, get this thing soaking for a couple of days, and then I still got to order the kit on it. I'll order it today while I'm in town, and then a couple of days I'll have this one done, and it'll be ready to go on the Thunder Chicken. If I don't sell the Thunder Chicken today, man, I got so much slack about taking that car and cutting it up because of the numbers matching car. A buddy of mine couldn't believe that I got it because the guy wouldn't sell it to him because he was over there a week before. So I guess I'm special. He's wanting it so bad, but we'll see. If I do, then I'll bring a Mustang, which I done kind of been looking a couple Mustangs, so ain't even looked at a Paramount, but we'll see. If he don't, then everybody will get to see the Thunder Chicken. If not, you'll probably get to see a Mustang, but we'll see. I just want to jump on here and make a small video of this carburetor, but I believe it's going to be a pretty decent little carburetor. It's a little 600 CFM, so that's all I need. I don't need nothing bigger. And I'll show you what else I got.